Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. I haven't covered Doge for a few days, but really, not much happened anyway, and I just want to kind of see how it's playing out, if there's anything exciting. But after a few days, I thought it might be worth doing a bit of an update here on Doge. I know a lot of you have been waiting for that. But yeah, let me tell you that nothing really major happened, but I've made an adjustment to the chart. I've made an adjustment to the chart that you should be aware about if you're interested in Doge, which you probably are if you are watching the video. So let me explain to you again the structure. So my view has been, and still is, that a fourth wave has bottomed here on the 1st of May. So again, that is not really very clear to me. Why? Because the rally from that low, from the 1st of May low, is only corrective. So we're only really looking at corrective rallies, three-wave structures to the upside. This is, for me, a three-wave move up. I've labeled that an A wave. The move down is corrective. It's a B wave. And then here another rally, which would be wave C of A. I'm going to talk about that a little more in a minute. I've made a change here, or adjustment, or added something at least. Then as soon as this A wave is completed, because it's just this initial ABC forms a larger A wave. Yeah, maybe I can just increase the wave degree here. And then after that A wave is completed, it's likely not going to be high enough to be all of wave 5. In case you're confused, this entire move up is a diagonal pattern. So what I'm looking at here is an ABC structure in the 5th wave, because also the 3rd wave was an ABC structure. So the 5th wave has to be as well. ABC structures never give us very clear probabilities. So we just have to be on the side of caution. I mentioned already weeks ago, this requires babysitting this chart, especially the micro patterns to the upside. Don't expect, necessarily that it's going to run, from start to finish without any problems. It's likely not going to do that, and it's already shown some weakness there. So, but anyway, after this A wave is completed, a B wave pullback is going to be expected, and then one more rally in wave C. Now, looking at the smaller time frame or short-term price action, this is what a lot of you are interested in. I mentioned to you from the beginning that this here is likely a three-wave move in wave A, B wave pullback, and then an ending diagonal in wave C. We had a wave 1 of C, wave 2 of C, wave 3 of C, wave 4, and then this could be a wave 5. Now, it's possible that this wave 4 is still stretching out. Yeah, it's possible that the wave 5 has already started, but it would be quite massive then. So maybe the 4th is still unfolding then, yeah. But it's not very reliable, given that we've broken out of the channel. All right, I can take that off now, but we've broken out of the channel, so it indicates some weakness and a break in structure. So I'm thinking, okay, I mean, this could be still a 4th, but if we break below that 23rd of May low at around 15.2 cents, I mean, then it's not a wave 4 anymore. It's already too low then, yeah? So basically what it means is it really must turn to the upside here for me to consider it still to form another 5th wave of wave C of A. If we break below that low, then I will have to assume, and that's hopium count basically, yeah, it's speculative, because I would still hold a bullish perspective then, even though it's not reliable at all. Yeah, the main problem is it hasn't formed a healthy C wave. I mean, that's the main problem. At least not from here. So it would need to give me a clearer C wave. Yeah, I want to see 5 waves up in wave C. At the moment, I could say maybe this 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, so like 4, 5th, it finished here. And the 5th wave was incredibly short and nearly a truncation. And then the A wave finished here instead of up there. The B wave pullback would be unfolding now. This is support between 15 and 13 cents. And only if we hold 13 cents, then we can look for higher prices. Okay, as long as we're holding that. But this white count is not reliable until we see a first impulse in wave C. And that impulse needs to, give us a first 5-wave move up, ideally above the 17.5 cent level. That's basically it. So still looking for higher, either directly from here or, okay, if not, if we break below that red line there at 15.3 cents, then there's a chance to find support in that micro support area for white wave B. But below 13 cents, it's not going to look good. Then larger wave 4 could still be unfolding. I basically, to keep it simple, I've got two support areas. I've got the upper micro support. As long as 13 cents is holding, I can take the assumption or have the assumption that the larger fourth wave bottomed on the 1st of May. Below 13 cents, 11 cents becomes support. Below 11 cents, I don't really have any reliable support level left at the moment. So that's, I think, quite simple. And I would like to still see Doge get into the mid 20 cent region in that next rally to the upside. But it's become quiet for now. So we have to be patient for now. But that gives you all the levels to watch, I think. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.